how to fix WhatsApp auto back problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp auto back problem on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type WhatsApp and then click this one, WhatsApp here, and first thing click force stop and then click storage. Now click clear cache and then just here we'll find permissions, click on it. Now just enable all of those here, and that's it, your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.